Hey, Jeremy here with the Disc Jockey News at Mobile Beat 2018 at ADJ. Now this is the Pro Event table, and this caught my eye when I was walking around. It's 4 different pieces with kind of a tabletop on the top here, but what I like about it the most is it's made from trussing, like global trussing or Dura trussing, which really makes it stand out. On the front, it's got a sign that you can put your own logo or whatever you like on the front, which is really, really cool. Like I said, it comes in 4 different parts that you take apart and you can put in a bag, which is optional from ADJ. If you come around to the side here, the tabletop is about 25 inches wide by, I'd say, probably about 48 inches long. You've got a lot of table space here, which is great for, you know, your mixers and everything else that you're doing with this tabletop. Comes apart right here, kind of a twist lock here to bring her up. You can kind of go up and down a little bit with this. An extremely portable DJ Facade for your next event. More information is going to be at the link below. It's Jeremy with the Disc Jockey News. Thanks so much for watching.